Welcome back to a new photography video. It's not a POV today. I recently went for a few days in the Swiss Alps and I tried to make a different kind of video. I hope you will enjoy it. Went few days in a row to the same street in the same village I was, and I decided to edit the video in a non-chronological order to group the pictures by more the location than the time. As I said, I came back to the same spot over multiple days. I'm so glad that the two showers were always there, so I could get more moody picture with the snow and then one a bit more interesting with the light. It was a good surprise to meet this nice lady, and it was one of the objectives to see what kind of person I can meet in the street. So yeah, the objective was to do a bit of street photography in a small village, in contrast of the more bigger city where I do street photography normally. Sometimes, even if on the day of the shoot you cannot figure out the composition on the specific spot, still take the image. I edited this image, so I found it interesting enough. I still don't know why. Maybe it tells a story. I'm sure I'm not the only one to struggle with images without a subject or a person. I often have the feeling like there is something missing, but I'm trying to get over it and take a bit more images where there is no obvious subject. The thing with less populated area is that you have less opportunities for subject, then more of your images will be without clear subject, so you have to focus on other things, patterns, composition, contrast and colors. It feels like a 70 to 200 shot. The goal is to make the church and the hotel on the top of the mountain closer from each other. Nothing groundbreaking in this image. The storytelling is the composition. Trying to include the valley as well as the ancient snowshoe on the side of the house. What am I even doing here? Being out of my comfort zone can lead to unusual composition ideas, I guess. thanks for watching. I hope you like this style of video. I may do some other video like this one from Norway.